Welcome to my weblog. This is the first of a multi-part program looking at the design and construction of a detached shop and garage here in Bozeman, Montana. I have been using 3D modeling in the planning process to identify, communicate, and resolve design issues with my client. The client is a woodworking enthusiast and furniture builder. This building will house his shop as well as a valuable vintage car. I have divided the building into roughly 2/3 shop area and 1/3 car storage. This multi-purpose building will have an expansive second level that will be primarily light storage. We have a number of issues affecting the design of this building. Due to subdivision covenant requirements, my first design priority will be to harmonize with the theme of the existing house. We will match the siding type and color, as well as brick wainscoting and accent bands. A priority design issue will be to maximize the usable area on the second level. We will use wall-to-wall span scissor roof trusses versus common attic trusses. Attic trusses tend to shrink usable area. Shed and gable dormers will add valuable perimeter headroom on the second level. The combination of 9-foot ceilings on the main level and 16-inch thick floor trusses add more steps and stairs to the second level. These stairs need to be thoughtfully placed for efficient use of space in the parking area. The use of 16-inch floor trusses engineered for loads of 60 pounds per square foot allows for full span of the width of the building. This means we will not have any intermediate walls intruding into the shop space. Good construction weather is short in Montana, and we want to try to execute this project as efficiently as possible. A big help in effectively managing any project is the use of a sequential scheduling timeline. Using and updating these timelines facilitate project management decisions and communication with regard to scheduling subcontractors or ordering materials. Sharing specific, realistic, and time-bound expectations with people involved in a project is of prime importance. Another communication tool on site is the chalkboard. Daily and weekly goals are posted on this board, as well as any and all items deemed important enough not to forget. If it's worth mentioning, then it's worth writing down. In the next few videos about this project, we will be following the actual construction progression. Thanks for taking the time to watch my blog, and check back to peterqbrown.com for future updates on the project as it evolves.